In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't access iCloud or Apple ID in iPhone. So grab your iPhone and let's go through this together like we're fixing it right now on the screen. Start from the home screen and open up the settings app. Just tap on that grey gear icon. Once you're inside settings, scroll down a bit until you see screen time and tap on it. Now that screen time is open, give it a second to load, then scroll down the page. What we're looking for here is content and privacy restrictions, so go ahead and tap on that. This section controls what parts of the phone can be changed or accessed, and a lot of the time this is exactly what blocks access to iCloud or Apple ID without you realizing it. After tapping into content and privacy restrictions, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the screen. Near the end, you'll see an option called Accounts. Go ahead and tap on Accounts to open it. This setting controls whether account changes, including Apple ID and iCloud, are allowed on the device. Now pay close attention to what this option is set to. If you see that accounts is set to don't allow, that's the reason you can't access iCloud or your Apple ID. When this is turned off, the iPhone blocks account access completely. To fix it, simply tap on allow to switch it back on. As soon as you change this to allow, the restriction is removed. You don't need to restart the phone or confirm anything else. At this point, you can tap back and exit out of screen time, then return to the main settings screen. Go back to the top of settings and try tapping on your Apple ID profile again. In most cases, you'll now be able to open your Apple ID settings, access iCloud, manage your account, and make changes without any issues. This fix is especially common on phones that were previously set up with parental controls or screen time restrictions, even if you didn't set them yourself. So anytime you see that message saying you can't access iCloud or Apple ID, this is one of the first things you should check. Just open settings, go to screen time, head into content and privacy restrictions, tap accounts, and make sure it's set to allow. It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a big difference. Once that's done, your Apple ID access should be back to normal and you can continue using your iPhone without that restriction getting in the way.